call right now, just on the deck. We're on the sea ferries. I'm heading to Victoria for the weekend. This is my birthday weekend, so it's been a while since I've taken the ferry to get to Victoria. See, I think the last couple times that I went there, I took the airplane or the seaplane. So it's definitely a different type of view. See behind me here, very lovely. Super windy on the deck. Today it's actually the temperature is actually quite high, quite hot. So, but definitely on the deck it's super windy, but super excited to get away from the city and just enjoy a different type of landscape. Alright, so now we are in downtown Victoria, and before checking into our hotel for the night, which is the Empress Hotel, right off the harbor, we thought we will grab a cup of coffee first at Habit Coffee. This is their first location, which is located in the heart of Chinatown, and it has been kind of my personal tradition to always stop by here first when I visit a city before I go do anything else. So after we have our coffee, there's still about an hour to kill before we can check into our hotel. So we thought we'd just kind of walk around town, check out some really cool shops in downtown Victoria. So that's it for the video today. Hopefully you guys find this interesting. It's a quick glimpse into the way I travel, and also a documentation of my trip to Victoria, BC over my birthday weekend. This is part 1, and there's most likely going to be a part 2 and possibly a part 3 on this trip. Yeah, so it's a little bit different from the usual content on this channel, but I hope you guys still find this interesting. This is by no means any travel review type of video. It really, because it doesn't have a lot of like in-depth details or a review on where to go, what to eat, what to do. It really just my personal point of view of what I experienced on this trip. Just a lot of photo sharing, I guess, in a sense. So yeah, so usually when I visit a destination, I will look up local coffee shop to visit and kind of use those location as starting points to explore the city and do a lot of like people watching, observing the the cityscape. Yeah, just you can see those I guess in the photos that I've taken. So I'm thinking to maybe create more or like a small series of the travel photos I've taken over the years. I don't have a lot of video footage because I really just started to get into video creating last year, so I'll find a way to maybe compile my previous travel photos into video contents and post it, share it on the chat on this channel. Yeah, so hopefully you guys find this interesting. You can let me know in the comment below, maybe like some suggestions of what I can include more, or what you really kind of intrigue you and inspire you to maybe visit Victoria, BC, or whatever. So anything that you would like to share with me, I can feel free to leave it in the comment below. Yeah, but that's it for now. I look forward to potentially more opportunity to travel. For the last overseas trip I've taken was last February. Went to Japan and Taiwan. Literally right before the lockdown happened. So I'm really glad I took those trips, and I would really love to share the photos I've taken on that trip with you all. Yeah, so anyways, hopefully I can find ways to compile those photos into like a video content, and because I don't have a lot of video footage. But yeah, anyways, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video.